She wore a raspberry beret, the kind you find in a second-hand store. Raspberry beret. And if it was warm, she wouldn't wear much more. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And, I was thinking the other day, what were you thinking about, sweetie? We don't really write this show. Michael just kind of turns on the camera and sets us free. So, every time before we start shooting, I always think of that Bill O'Reilly bit where he's like, forget it! We'll do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live! Darn thing isn't very good. Oh, wow, my headphones are falling off. Hikes. Get out of the shot. And, these are really just for show. I'm going to go without them today. So yeah, hey, how you doing? Yeah, I was thinking about Bill O'Reilly, and he was like swearing in that. And, in the Anishinaabe way, in the traditional way, you kids listen up. We didn't swear, That's not a good way to be. We didn't say the F word, Think about your grandparents. Well, I don't know, maybe some of your grandparents swear. But, this elder was telling me once, he goes, it's not our way. In the Ojibwe Moan, in the Ojibwe language, we didn't have swear words. That's an English thing. And I go, well, what do you say when you bang your thumb with a hammer? And he goes, oh, that's easy. I use English then. Anyway, yeah. So, but yeah, I always think of Bill O'Reilly just losing it over something silly like, okay, well, here's Sting. Listen to this song. Bye. Should we do a live stream? That might be funny. I mean, the problem is the lighting looks great in here. Oh, wow. All right, anyway. So today's word of the day. I'm just phoning this in. I want to make a couple announcements. The word of the day is Dabaji Moen story. And I got a story. A Dabaji Moen. What's my story now? Oh yeah. We're thinking about doing a live show. We're gonna get pack up the guitars and everything, and then go out someplace, and Michael will be there to tell stories and to sing songs and to teach them Ojibwe language. So if you're interested in us coming to your school or to your bar, give us leave a message in the comments. I haven't worked out how this works yet. I don't know. Do you think we should do a live show? We were thinking about doing a night with Nana BOOZHOO. All right, if you're interested in that, let me know. Otherwise, I don't know, it's enough of an announcement. Hey, miigwech bizandawieg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Isn't that right, sweetie?
Yeah, it sure is, honey.
We enjoy each other's company. Nah. All right, I will see you again. Kiga wabamin. Menawa. You know what? If you get up close enough, you can look inside people's computers. Look at that. Oh, what, sweetie? Come over here. I can see right into people's homes. Hey, put your pants back on. Yikes. All right, I'll see you later.